Alright guys, as you can see, I got a little further. It was really easy to go ahead and finish stripping it down from where it was in the last vid. I had everything already, like I said, broke apart with the ball joint separator and all that. So I was able to just take the whole A-arm, everything apart really quickly and easily. Well, the front rack and the front plastics come off just by these 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you take this piece off here and undo that little clip, push pin, and the entire front whole clip will come off in one piece, and you just unplug the wire for the lights. So here's the whole front clip. So here's all the plastics and whatnot. So I'll clean these up with the pressure washer, and that front rack I'll probably paint it, get any rust taken care of on that. I want it to look good. But yeah, so it was pretty easy to get all that done and get it all apart. Everything came off smoothly. It was kind of ridiculous that this bolt here on this top A-arm wouldn't come off without the whole front bumper off though. It was hitting the bar that attaches here. Which if you came in through the backside, I do believe you wouldn't have to do that. So that's probably how I'll go back together. But like I showed you before, we got 4 new ball joints, cheap ones, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna grease them up. A ball joint's a ball joint. Uni air filter, I'll always run uni. The pads, I'm probably definitely changing those. I got some Caltrix cheap shit, you know. When you run through mud and all this kind of that, dirt, this and that, whatever, man, just buy a bunch of cheap crap. And then you just keep throwing it in for wear items and things like that. This piece here, I think this is a KFI. Yeah, it's KFI. You put it on the back for a 2-inch. Those are the filters. I had to wait for a while on that, but I got it. Seals for the front hubs. Everything. Blackwaterperformance.com on eBay. I usually get all my stuff on eBay. I've had good luck with their bearings, double lip, sealed bearings. So I keep using them. If the price is right, I grab them. So all the plastics, here's all the stuff he had taken off and brought me. See, parts of the rack. Here's what kind of was left of it, guys. It's making a mess of my shop. Here we go. That's the back rack. I mean, so that's what I'm dealing with here. Need a back rack, guys. I need a back rack. That, or if I was to use the other back rack that I took off that Rubicon, you could make that work, but you'd have to use the entire rear plastic section for the right and left fender and everything from back. You'd have to use all the plastics and change the exhaust to the Foreman 500 exhaust. I do believe it still clamps here, so you would just run it straight out here and have to run the different rack that it has. And it has here like a storage compartment, so that would be out of the way. But I do believe the frames are the same. But anyway, so yeah, we got the Rubicon, or the Rincon, excuse me, coming along. And like I said, I'll change these parts out and get everything swapped around. However that's going to go. Clean up this air box. I am going to reseal it. I'm not snorkeling it like I said previously, but this OE gasket, you know, this sealant stuff sucks, as you can see. So these boots are sucking dirt through them. You can easily bend them. So I'm going to rip them all out, clean them all up, and use ultra black on them, and seal the boots back up and put it back together. That way no dirt will be going into there. I'm not going to seal the lid or anything. It'll be factory. One guy said in one of my videos that he didn't like that I destroyed a brand new bike, he said, because I snorkeled it and modified it. I don't do it to all of them. Didn't destroy it though. Made it better. Made it do what it can be, what what it can do. Go in water. If someone wants it to go in water, I'll make it go in water. If someone wants it to just be a hunting bike, I'll keep it a hunting bike, whatever. But anyway, look guys, yep, here's another one on the Honda Rincon 680, 2011 model. We'll come back whenever everything, all the new parts are ready to go back on it. Till then, y'all take it easy.